Yeah, I have several pairs of socks. I think of a delay pedal as improvising with yourself, where I'll do something without thinking at all, no intention, and then it'll come back to me like a second later and I'll be like, oh, that's what I just did. By that point, I'll have already done something else, and it's just a cascade of like non-intentional decisions. And I find that process very expressive, especially if you have a long feedback, because you'll be like, 10 repeats stacked on each other, and it will sound like something that you did not plan on making. And it's just like you never run out of ideas. Like your past unintentional decisions are just constantly like urging you forward, making more stuff. A big-ish, three-walled, dimly lit space that's soft would be my happy place, with an acoustic guitar inside of it. A few friends, a few dogs, maybe more than a few dogs. It would be full of dogs.
Hey, 3 dogs, 6 dogs.
No, there'd have to be more, because you'd need like a lot of representation. There's a lot of species that you want. Breeds. There's a lot of breeds you want.
Do some dog breeds outrank other dog breeds in your mind?
In my mind, yes. They're all beautiful creatures that are equally deserving of happy lives, but there's definitely some that I like more. Newfoundland, I'm partial to them. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a good dog. Doge. Border Collies are nice, dependable. There's that dog that is just wrinkled. You guys know that one? It's not a pug, it's this other one. It's just wrinkles from head to toe, even the tail is wrinkled. There'd be lots of those in my happy place. Now that I have Zach's hat on my face, the top of Zach's head is my favorite smell.